We got a little closer to having the body mounted correctly today. Instead of just having it draped on top, I built these nice little body mounts there. I'm gonna be putting another one right here in the center, and then I will be rebuilding the stock mounts. We did a little bit of cleanup work because it was awfully tight in here, so I was able to gain about 3/4 of an inch by trimming that. And then that problem this morning got all cut away. So now I have to modify the railing that goes underneath the body. This is a convertible body, so it has to have some additional structure under there, which when I got this was non-existent, so I welded that piece of tubing on. But I will make the mount here tomorrow, so it is resting on the chassis all the way around. So that's it for the day. I'll be back on it tomorrow, and hopefully this body will be mounted.